Hi, in this blog we're going to be talking about playing some blues turnarounds that work for the key of A. Now remember that turnarounds are a grouping of notes or a grouping of chords that can be played in the last two bars of a blues, 12-bar blues progression. And they're called turnarounds because that's what they do. They turn the song around, start it over again. And they can also be used for introductions. So I've got a bunch of them here that work for the key of A. This first one sounds like this. And then you'd repeat the song, start over again, or end with an A7 chord. The next one, number 2, you rest on the first beat and then play. And what you can do on the end, instead of those 3 notes, just the 3 notes, you can play a D9 if you know it, D9, E flat 9, and E9. So with the chords, the turnaround sound like this. Okay? Now, those triplets at the first, you can play them with a pick, going down, up, down, and there's a slide of 2 frets. And on those last 2 notes, I use my thumb on the pick on the 3rd string and my middle finger on the 1st string, like so. Another possibility would be to use the thumb and the middle finger on all the notes. So that's number 2. Turnaround number 3 sounds like this. And you strum an E7 right there. Number 4 would sound like this. Stick an E7 chord in there, you could. So those are all some good turnarounds that would work for in the key of A. Now I'm going to play a little blues here for you. Use a turnaround for the intro, and then I'll put a turnaround in the last 2 bars as well. Got the blues in the morning, got the blues all day long. Got the blues in the morning, got the blues all day long. Seems like nothing's going right, that's why I'm singing this song. Now I could repeat and do some other verses, or end with the A7 chord. So those are turnarounds that'll work really well for the key of A. Got the blues in the morning, got the blues all day long.